Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for August. I have the premium box and also the base box here to share what is in my boxes. These were sent over from Boxycharm, but this is a variation that you guys could possibly get, and you could definitely get some of these items as well. But I'm so excited to see what is in here. I do want to let you know I'm going to have two videos up today. Boxycharm first, of course, and then later tonight I'm going to do my Bath & Body Works video because I just can't wait. I have to have it all today. I'm super excited about all the new stuff, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I think last month's premium box was super good with the Anastasia goodies, but I don't think the base was very good, so let's see how good the base is this month. I don't even remember what the choices were from earlier, so this is all going to be a surprise. The first thing in here, I'm seeing something from the brand Iconic London. We do get their palettes in Boxycharm from time to time. So we have a ultimate bronzing powder in this box. This is very exciting. I'm actually glad it's not a palette because we get so many from them. So I'm happy to have a bronzer. I feel like it's been a minute since we've got a bronzer in Boxycharm. So I have the light bronze from them, and this thing is huge. So this is what it looks like on the packaging. And inside, oh, that looks gorgeous. This is the light bronze. Seriously, as big as my face. This is about the size of the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer for size reference, but I'm really excited about this, and this is made in Italy. I like this color a lot. This is going to be perfect. I do have self-tan on right now, so it does blend in with my skin a little bit now, but it should be perfect for when this kind of fades. I always need like multiple colors in my collection. The formula feels really soft, really smooth. I'm actually really excited to see how that performs. This one looks a lot like my Charlotte Tilbury. Like, I kind of want to swatch it next to each other. Yeah, these are like practically a dupe for each other. So on top is Iconic London, the bottom is Charlotte Tilbury. I do have number 2 medium, and I feel like those are dupes. I'm really excited to see how those compare because this is one of my favorite bronzers. The Iconic London retails for $35 by the way, but you can usually find a pretty good deal on them, and you never know if you don't get that in your box. It may pop up in the Boxy pop-up store as well for even cheaper. So the next item, oh, we got Truly Beauty in here. Oh, you guys, I have refused to buy it from this brand. Because they were super rude to me one time when they reached out to work together, and I just kind of wrote them off after that because it just really turned me off from them. I don't know. I'm making a whole video about what it's like to be a creator, any questions you guys have and stuff like that, and I kind of went over this, but I mean, I guess now I get to try them and see if it's worth the hype. I've actually found some dupes for them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls by the AM&H skincare brand. So I just think they're overrated. I truly do. This is the Pineapple Haze Glossy Lip Butter. I will say this does smell really good. This is what their products look like. They look like frosting. I'll go ahead and swatch a little bit. Oh yeah, the texture of this feels exactly like the dupes I found. I do like the smell though, so I'll have to try it out. I won't try it on the lips now, but it does seem like it's going to be pretty moisturizing. It says it has hemp, jojoba, and vitamin E to hydrate and condition the lips. So I'll go ahead and give them a shot. We'll see how it goes. I'm just not a huge fan of them in general. The next product that I got is from Kate Somerville, and we got the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I've used the Exfoliate Scrub, and I've also used their Exfoliate Cleanser that I really like, so I'm kind of curious about how the moisturizer would be. It has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid to improve pore and texture. I have had some really annoying texture that I've been trying to get rid of. My skin's in a good place now. I've switched over to some different products. But I was struggling earlier, like last month. It was not great. I'm curious to see how this will work. It retails for $70, which is crazy. And then we have here from the brand ROCKINS Cosmetics. I remember getting a couple, I think, eyeshadows from them earlier this year. This is the All Night Bender Extreme Lash Mascara from them. Always up to trying a new mascara. I feel like mascaras are like the easiest things to try out because you kind of know right away if you're gonna like it or not. So this one retails for $29. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. It looks like a smaller mascara, so yeah, it does have a really small wand, which I do like mascaras like this because I feel like it's so much easier to coat each and every lash. I feel like I get the most length out of a smaller brush, and it's easier to control so you don't get it like all over the eyes. So I'll try that out for sure. And then the last product we got, this is by Clean Skin Club. It's the Clean Slate Clearing Mist. It has salicylic acid, rose extract, and eucalyptus oil. I'm a little concerned with the essential oils in this as well as the salicylic acid. I feel like that can be more irritating to the skin combined with that ingredient. So I don't know if this is something I will per se use, because usually for breakout skin you want mostly stuff that is fragrance free because you don't want to cause even more damage. So this retails for $38. It says it's going to reduce acne and breakouts without drying the skin. I don't know, we'll see. You guys will have to let me know if you've tried anything from this brand, what your thoughts are. I'm definitely going to look up some reviews before trying it out. But that is the last product in our Boxycharm base box. So pretty good box, I would say. I'm really excited for the Iconic London bronzer as well as the Kate Somerville moisturizer. Let's see what we got in our premium box. So if you guys didn't know, the Boxycharm base box is $25 a month and the premium is $35. And you get a little bit more value with this one. So the first thing I am seeing here, we got something from the brand LARUCE, which I believe we've gotten their brushes before. These are little washable pads, so you could use this to apply different toners, cleanser, stuff like that, instead of using makeup wipes or cotton rounds. So it's supposed to be more eco-friendly because you can rewash them and then you don't have to keep going out and buying them. I'll be honest, I'm very lazy sometimes and I do use cotton rounds a lot, because then you have to keep rewashing these, and I'm just lazy. I'm always behind on laundry, so I have to do better at using these things for sure. This retails for $24 and you get 3 of them. We also got something from the brand OSEA. I have not seen this brand in so long. I think they used to sell their stuff at Ulta. I feel like I remember them being in the body care section, maybe not anymore. This is the Sea Minerals Mist. It's supposed to even your skin tone while the minerals work their magic, cooling and refreshing. The aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun-drenched skin. Oh, nice. So this is $38. So it seems like this is going to be something that's really good if you guys did get some sun. Your skin is a little red. I feel like maybe that would help out. Maybe I'll try that. I always, whenever I'm out in the sun, no matter what, even if I apply sunscreen, if I'm out for like 3 hours or more, I feel like I always get sunburnt for sure. Oh, we also have something from Fenty. What is this? Looks like we got a What It Do makeup setting spray. Very curious about this one. I typically avoid dewy setting mists. I typically just go for a long lasting one because I do have oily skin. But sometimes I do like to have the dewy glow for like a video or something, not for like long wear. I'm not sure how dewy this will be. I might try some on, but this retails for $30 and it says it instantly revitalizes and refreshes skin throughout the day. So maybe it would be nice to use like midday through your makeup if you just need to refresh it a little bit. So let me try a little bit of this on just to see what the finish is like. It's super fine in texture. I love how it feels. I hate the setting sprays that feel like a glob of mist just went on your face and it feels wet. This has like the most fine texture, which makes me want to spray it like all day. It did give us a little bit of dewiness, but I wouldn't say it's overly glowy by any means. And with this texture, I think it's actually going to be pretty good. So I think I'm gonna like this one. We also got another bronzer in here. This is by the brand Vesca Beauty Co. I'm totally new to this brand. It's the Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. Interesting that I got 2 bronzers. So this is called Kissed by Santorini. I think that name is really cute. It has pretty basic packaging, and then here is the bronzer. It looks maybe a little bit darker than the Iconic London one. It feels really soft. Yeah, just a little bit darker, but overall it feels like a nice finish. I feel like I would like this formula. It seems like it would be very blendable and smooth on the skin. So I'll definitely have to try that out. Like I said, I haven't tried anything from this brand before. This retails for $30. It's supposed to give a soft matte skin-like finish. So 2 bronzers. Next up, we got something from the brand Earth Harbor. I feel like I get so many of their products in subscription boxes, from Ipsy to FabFitFun and now Boxycharm, so I typically don't really use their stuff. I know a lot of people do like them though, but they do use a lot of essential oils in their products. This is the antioxidant cleansing oil with sea kelp and papaya enzymes. This retails for $24. Since it is a cleansing oil, I feel like I'd be more apt to use it rather than it being a moisturizer or a serum, because I get so many of those from this brand. So I don't know, maybe I will try out the cleansing oil. And then lastly, we got something from the brand Grown Alchemist. I see this brand a lot at TJ Maxx. Their products are super expensive though. This is the Age Repair Gel Mask from them with pomegranate extract and peptide complex. It says it's supposed to clear skin while calming irritation for a rejuvenated complexion with brightness and glow. So that is the last thing we received. I feel like I've gotten a lot of skincare in here, but that is the Boxycharm Premium for August. What I received, I prefer the base box this month. I feel like that one was actually a lot better. I feel like it always switches. One month Premium's better, next month base box better, but I feel like the base box we just got a lot of value for our money. And in this premium box I got a lot of skincare, which typically I like to receive either more makeup and body care over skincare. I just get very overwhelmed with skincare products. That's just my opinion, and some of you guys probably prefer the skincare. But anyways, that is it for this Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below which one you preferred or thought was better, or if you had a favorite product that I received. Have you guys tried Truly Beauty, and what do you think about it? Do you think it's worth the money? I'm super curious to know. But that is gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.